Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Super Hero's kitchen. So I will show you today how to make dashi. Dashi is Japanese fish soup, like a base of all of the cooking. So ingredients we use for the Konbu, dry kelp, and then this shaving dry bonito. You know the bonito, and then make it steam and dry up in the shaving. This is good for the making dashi. And then I use for the nimbe plant. This is it's good for the making nice soup. This one you can put in the for okonomiyaki or takoyaki. Also, you can use it, and then you can get it for the any Japanese grocery store. カツオだしの取り方ですね。昆布とカツオを使います。まあ日本料理の基本ですね。Right now, I put for the little bit in the pot in the water is kelp is like last night, and then I'm just turning on the fire now. 一晩寝かしてますね、水の中で。そうすることによってすぐ出汁が出やすいですね。はい。で、気をつけなくちゃいけないのは、このホットウォーターがバブをする前に取り出さないとですね。そう、もしここにずっと沸騰したまま入れると苦味とか出てしまうので、旨味よりも苦味が強くなって美味しくない出汁が出ちゃいます。Yeah. So before boiling the water, we have to move away, the konbu from the water. Otherwise, the taste is badness and bitterness. So, yeah, we have to leave it for this pot for the 10 or 15 minutes, and then I'll be back to show you how to do the dashes. Alright, so almost ready to pick up. But you can see for the color is a little like yellow color. This is from konbu, the umami come up. And then small bubble starting, and then giving more bigger bubble is boiling. So I set up for part one. See that before the boiling, we have to take away the konbu. Otherwise, is the first attention to the for the boiling the konbu is taste bitterness and taste weakness to the for the to overcook. So I will take it. Then use the katsuo. Now is the katsuo dashi is put here, put in the water. Like this one too, like amount is just like a feel experience. This katsuo dashi even put in the bonito, if too much, also taste too thick, and too less is no taste. Yeah, see, like this one very then turning. I did it for the turn up. This is good bonito. This is good katsuo dashi, katsuo bushi. Otherwise, not much come up for the scan. Just leave it a while. Then use the strainer and make it. これくらいでいいですね。カツオが寝静まったら押していきます。Yeah, use a strainer even now with a close is okay. is what we call ichiban dashi. Ichiban dashi is the first dashi. First dashi for make for soup, and a very clear taste one. And then I make now the second dashi. We call niban dashi. Niban dashi is first take the katsuo, back in the pot, and then put in the water and then boiling again. Alright, so I showed you how to make dashi. Yeah, this is the dashi. Thank you for watching. So if you like my video, please subscribe my account. And if you like my video, please give me the like. Thank you. So see you next time. Bye now.